I just want to say thank you so much for all the care we got provided. My sister was, I was very worried about her, especially being in a country that I don't know anything about, But after I came here, we were so comfortable, we were so, the assurance we had from the doctors and how they told. I remember one thing that doctor said to me, that the operation, her face will go back, the same way and even better than before. It's not 99%, it's 100%. And that gave me, I don't know the color, assurance, that she will be okay. And I was calm, And yeah, everyone did the best, to be honest. Nurses, doctors, that's why I came back now even, because I actually love the people in here, And I provide my mother here to come and do, her teeth in this hospital. So yeah, thank you so much for, for everything. That's all I can say.